It is so hot today. Do you want to get a drink?
Sure. What would you like to drink? Coffee or tea?
I like both coffee and tea, but I am also hungry. I want to eat something.
This restaurant has too many people. How about that restaurant over there? They have delicious beef noodles, and the price is very good.
Great! I love beef noodles. Do they sell drinks too?
Yes, they have many kinds of drinks. You can choose juice, tea, or coffee.
Nice! Let's go now. I'm excited to eat.
Okay, let's go.
Hello. Welcome. How can I help you?
Hi, we would like 2 bowls of beef noodles, please.
Sure. Would you like them spicy?
Just a little spicy for me, please.
No spicy for me, thank you.
Okay. Would you like any drinks?
Yes, I want an iced coffee, please.
And I would like a lemon tea.
Great. Anything else?
No, that's all. Thank you.
You're welcome. Please wait a few minutes.
Thank you.
Hello. Are you ready to pay?
Yes, we are. How much is it?
Your total is $18.50.
Can I pay with a credit card?
Yes, you can. Please insert your card here.
Okay. Done.
Great. Here is your receipt.
Thank you. The food was very good.
I'm glad you liked it. Have a nice day.
Thanks. You too.
Goodbye.
The weather is very good today. And the beach looks nice. I want to go swimming. Do you want to go?
I cannot swim.
Oh, I see. How about running?
I don't like running. I run very slowly.
How about playing tennis?
That sounds good. Let's go play tennis.
Great!
Let's go! This tennis court looks nice. Are you ready to play?
Yes, I am ready. But I don't play very well.
That's okay. We can just have fun.
Great. Can you show me how to hit the ball?
Sure. Hold the racket like this.
Like this?
Yes, that's good. Now, try to hit the ball.
Okay. Oh, I hit it.
Nice job. You are getting better.
Thank you. This is fun.
Let's keep playing.
Tony, what time are we meeting your Korean friend tomorrow?
We need to arrive at the Tianmei Hotel at 4 p.m. She will wait for us there.
How do we get there? By MRT or by bus?
I heard the hotel is not far. I think we can walk there from school.
But I don't know the way. Do you know?
I don't know either. We can check the map online first.
Oh no, class has started. Let's go now.
Okay.
Look, Abby. Tianmei Hotel is on Da Shui Road. Now I know how to get there.
Ah, so this is Tianmei Hotel. I know this place. There is a post office and a supermarket nearby.
I think it will be okay to go there on foot.
But I think it's a little far. Walking there is too tiring.
How do you want to get there?
Taking the MRT is convenient and comfortable. We can go by MRT.
Okay, let's take the MRT tomorrow.
Abby, your skirt is very beautiful. I really like it.
Thanks. It was my birthday gift last year.
I heard this clothing brand is very expensive, but many people like it. Yes, it is. This brand is very famous. And the tops, pants, and skirts are all very nice. So many people buy them. Do you know where I can buy this brand? Yes, you can find it in department stores. It's not hard to find. I want to check it out. But I gained 5 kilograms recently. So I'm worried they won't have my size. You gained weight? I don't think so. I can go with you. I want to look at the new summer clothes. Okay, let's find a time to go. Look, this pair of yellow pants is nice, isn't it? It is. This pair of blue pants is beautiful too. Blue is a popular color this year. I will try both on. What do you think? They are both too short and too small. It's okay. We can come again next weekend. By the way, you want to buy shoes, right? Yes, I want to buy a pair of black ones. All the shoes are on the first floor. Let's go downstairs. It's 9 o'clock. The department store is closing soon. There's the elevator. Let's go get them now.
Mary, what are you going to do this weekend?
I am going to stay home. I want to read and listen to music.
Are you free on Saturday afternoon? How about having afternoon tea together?
That sounds great. Where do you want to go?
I know a nice cafe. They have delicious ice cream.
Do they have chocolate ice cream?
Yes, they have many kinds of ice cream.
Perfect. Let's go this Saturday at 2:30 p.m.
Okay, see you then. Mom, Mary and I are going to have afternoon tea now, but my wallet is not in my bedroom.
There is a wallet on the table in the living room. Is that yours?
No, that one is not mine. it is my older brother's. My wallet is not in the living room.
How about checking under the sofa?
It is not on the sofa, not under the sofa, and not beside the sofa. Mom, can you help me find it?
I'm very busy. I'm going to the kitchen to cook now. Go check your room again.
Ah, here it is. The wallet is under my book. Hi, Mary. I found my wallet.
Great! Where was it?
It was under my book in my room.
You always forget where your things are.
I know. I need to be more careful.
So, are you ready to go?
Yes, I'm ready. I will meet you at the cafe.
Okay. See you soon.
See you.